Hi, thanks for watching. This video is for anyone who's just getting started with airbrushing and they don't know what sort of airbrush to buy and they're kind of lost. Hopefully this will give you a guide. I'll start out with my Pashk Talon USA made. It has a little bronze backing. It's kind of a heavy airbrush. It has okay trigger action. I use it for large surfaces. You know, if I was going to semi-large, like a medium to large surface, I would use this just to spray, point spray. No real, nothing too highly, nothing detailed at all, really. One of my favorites is Patriot Extreme by Badger. It has this little ball in the back that if you had your paint stuck in here, you could pull back and, hopefully free up that gummed up paint. Has an extended trigger, triggers like butter. This, I would say, I have it with this small needle, with the small needle tip. I would definitely say for medium detail stuff, this is awesome. An awesome airbrush. The Badger Extreme Patriot. And relatively cheap too. Iwata, you can't go wrong with Iwata. It's a workhorse for airbrush artists. This is the HPC Plus. Nice trigger action. Covered up the tip. Gravity fed. Good size bowl. A little bit harder to clean, but you can't go wrong with anything Iwata. If you're a t-shirt artist, you're definitely going to want to use the Iwata Eclipse HPBCS. I don't have the back on it, but it's bottom fed for t-shirts. Amazing. You only need, if you're getting started, definitely get this. I want to say it's 130 bucks or so, but worth the money. You're gonna love it, especially when you try some of these other ones. One of my favorite for medium detail to fine detail, the Evolution by Harder Steenbeck. Just beautiful airbrush, nice trigger action, easy to clean, modular cup. The cap just slides on. I'm not going to steer you wrong, but definitely more pricey, but you get what you pay for at times. My favorite airbrush for high detail, the Infinity by Harder Steenbeck, modular, trigger like butter, has a stopper so you can stop the paint coming, restrict your trigger pullback so that you can limit the amount of paint that comes out. I never use it, but you can grab this little nut right here, pull back to clear out the little gunk at the top. So, what else do we got? Now I'm going through these fast, but hopefully you get an idea of what exactly to get if you're into body art, body paint, makeup for kids on their face or whatever, Halloween. This Epic Dab European body art airbrush. Great for body art. It's still accurate, but it's really made for makeup. Bottom fed. It's a stellar airbrush. An airbrush I'm not even going to show you is the Grix brand. I bought a brand new one. I thought it was made in the USA, but it's not. It's made in China. It's a piece of junk. I might have thrown it out, but it definitely clogged on me. I hated it. It was a side gravity fed or offset bowl. The little bowl was offset, so you could see straight down the center, which is why I got it. I thought it was going to work great, but it did not work great. Matter of fact, it was garbage. So Grix, if you're watching this, you suck. But yeah, those are my go-to airbrushes. And if you have any other questions, comments, I will have some more material with more learning, geared towards learning, because the airbrush community is kind of closed off at times. And I'll be making videos on pricing and all kinds of things to help you guys out. But thanks for watching. God bless. Here's one of my pieces right here, this eagle. I don't know if you can see it, since I have a little air time. It's not complete yet. I'm doing something different down here with the eagle in a flags for money, I think. But yeah, we'll go over compressors and hoses and all that other stuff. In the future, we'll also break down airbrushes, show you how to clean each one. But for now, God bless.